G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make celery and apple slaw. Really yummy, so awesome, nice and healthy. Let's go.
Simple Cooking Channel.
Get a large bowl or mixing bowl, chuck in some celery, cut celery up into like little matchsticks or something, probably 3 to 4 pieces of celery, and do the same with apple. I'm using green apple, you can use any. Cut them up, put them in there. You want about 1/3 of a cup of crushed diced walnuts chunks. You can toast these, I just prefer them just like this. Put about half. I get about 85 grams of goat's cheese. Just chuck that in there. Just mix it together. Oh yeah. Get a small bowl. Put in about 2 tablespoons of creme fraiche. It's this stuff. Add about 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Add about 1 tablespoon of chives. Now, better if they're fresh. These are fresh from my garden. Then just put in a pinch of caster sugar. Now just whisk this together. Now pour this over the top. Pour over the remaining walnuts and just a little bit more of the chives, about 1 tablespoon. Now just toss to combine. Well, I hope you like this. Seriously, so yummy. Oh, let's go. Oh, celery. Oh, that is so good. I'll see you next time for my next meal. Baby.
Simple cooking, simple cooking.